This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Stephanie Harn. This beautifully appointed Egret model, built by WCI to the highest standards, offers a truly exceptional living experience. The open floor plan features a spacious kitchen with granite countertops, a floating island, shaker cabinets, a walk-in pantry, and stainless steel appliances. The spacious 3-bedroom layout includes a den/flex room and 2 bathrooms. The home features porcelain tile throughout the main living areas and new carpet in the bedrooms and den. For added protection, the home is equipped with new accordion hurricane shutters. This residence is sold furnished. Enjoy a lanai with a private yard, providing ample space for a pool. The low HOA fees cover cable, internet, lawn maintenance, and 24-hour gated security. This home is conveniently located outside of the flood zone, offering peace of mind. Community amenities include a clubhouse, resort-style pool, biking/walking trails, a fitness center, basketball court, billiards room, playground, and more. Enjoy the convenience of being near RSW Airport, I-75, Florida Southwestern State College, Florida Gulf Coast University, a high school, shopping, dining, and entertainment. Experience the Florida lifestyle. Make your appointment today. For more information, review the details below or contact Stephanie Harn at 239-482-5700.